Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, I have another Coach unboxing, and I've been waiting for a while to receive this, and it finally came. So let's take a look and see what we have. I've only seen pictures of this. I've never seen it in person. So, y'all, we're gonna get to see this in person / video together. Let's see. Okay. So far, just tissue. I was thinking maybe a thank you note or something was going to pop out. So far, no. Okay. I guess this is kind of sort of wrapped. And if you all are new to my channel, or if you've been watching my videos and you just so happen to realize that you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, y'all, so let's see. It's loose wrapping, but at least it was wrapped. Okay, I got a dust bag. I did not expect that. And make sure that it's fully in the shot here. Y'all, why am I so excited? Like, seriously, I saw the picture, but I have not seen this in person. And the sales associate was so nice on the phone. Okay, let's see. First of all, I'm happy I got a dust bag because I was looking at these the other day thinking about buying one in store. And I was like, well, I'll just continue with my extra dust bags from Amazon that come like 5 or 10 in a pack. Oh, y'all, it is a thank you card in here. Oh, I got my receipt and I got a thank you card, y'all. So I'm already smiling. I haven't even opened it up. So let me see. Aww. It does say enjoy your purchase with a heart. Y'all, he was so nice over the phone and funny and helpful. Sent me a lot of pictures. So, okay, let me unwrap it. Okay, color block. I'm liking it, y'all. I couldn't really tell by the picture like how dark it was or how light it was. The main thing I could see were the handles. So if you don't know, this is a color block Rowan. So the piping, or part of the piping, is red. The handles are like a mustard color. It probably looks a little bit brighter on camera. The hardware is silver. Hang tag in red. Okay. So this is my first color block Rowan. And this is the description and probably the style code. All that's on there. So it says Saddle Multi. And let me get ready to go in it. Okay, the strap's in here. So the strap is also mustard. So this the part, I don't think I saw this in the picture. So the strap matches the handles. I would not have been mad if the strap would have been red. That would have been even more color blocking going on. But this is nice, y'all. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the strap and take a peek inside. So far it looks good, you all. I did order this from a Coach outlet store, and the sales associate sent pictures to me, and it was really just a picture of it on the counter, and I think he paired it with like some other accessories. Oh, do I have my other accessory? Let's see if I take it. I think I may have moved it. Let's see. Just a moment. Okay, I thought I had a wallet close by, but I don't. So I will have to put that in another video. But I wasn't sure how it would look in person, but I'm liking it. It's cute. And this one, as I said, it has silver hardware on it. Of course, the regular Rowans do not have feet now. And it looks like that's some thread in there. So y'all, this was on clearance. And also Woman Habits 84 unboxed this purse a couple of days ago, and I come in and told her we are bag twins, and that I was waiting on my delivery. It took a while, but it finally made it to me. And there's another color block one that I actually caught on the Coach outlet website as well. So that one is really behind. So it still says processing, I believe. So, and I got like an email that said, hey, we're still working on your order. I'm like, okay, but can you go ahead and send it? So, but this one made it here first, and just to be sure, I gave you all a good close-up of it with the pretty yellow handles. I'm not sure when this one came out either. Since it was on clearance, I'm gonna guess and say it's been out for at least a few months, so possibly spring, if not longer. But I think this is so cute, especially with the different colors. So it is a total of, what, 3 colors? Not counting the glaze, which kind of looks black or dark brown, but yellow, brown, and red with the silver hardware. I think that's cute. And let me check the zipper on the back. We're good. Okay, y'all, so this is another Rowan to add to the collection. I have options on the accessories to pair with it, whether I choose my signature here, and this saddle is actually the same color. This is the wallet that I ordered to go with my Aria. So that actually could go with that. Same leather. And then I do have my red signature one close by. That's a little bit dressy for it, but that could also add to it as well. And the hardware is 2 different colors. I don't think that's a big deal. But either one of these I feel like could go with this purse. So I have options. Not mad at it at all. I've done measurements in my other videos for the Rowan. I'll do quick measurements here for you just in case you didn't see my other videos. So it is 10 across the bottom with a width, with the width, the center base of about 4 inches, and then extending out to the sides at least about 6. And then the height is right under 7. So that's it, y'all. This is my first color block Rowan. I am happy with it. I am definitely going to have to give additional thanks to the sales associate, because I did not expect this dust bag. Y'all, they usually charge about $10 for these dust bags in store. I don't know if the size matters or not, But I just saw a sign for $10 at one of the outlets that I went to, and it had about 3 or 4 different sizes. So I think regardless of the size of the bag, that it's about $10. So nice added touch. I did ask him to try to wrap it for me. So I'm glad he at least put a lot of tissue around it to help protect it, and gave me the dust bag as well. So not mad at that at all. And I told him that he would be hearing from me again. So that was even before all of this. So he's surely going to hear from me again. I did find this bag at another location, but the service, initially when I spoke with the lady, she said, oh, we can't email or text pictures. And I'm like, okay. And she said, well, if you just going off of what you saw online or whatever, but we can, mail it to you. You can pay for it on the phone, whatever, mail it to you. But she said the lady that did it was not fair. So she was like, well, she'll call you back in an hour or two, whatever. In the meantime, I called this location, and the service, like I said, was so nice on the phone. It's like, sure, I can send you a picture. I'll even pair it up with some accessories and see if there's anything else in the store you like as well. So that service alone made me go ahead and go with this particular location versus the first one that I spoke with. So by the time that the first location called me back, I just let them know that I was going to go get it from another store, pretty much. So especially I didn't want to get it from them, that particular one, with it being on clearance, and they weren't able to send me a picture of it. So that goes to show service and being nice. And then he actually sounded like he loved Coach and was excited about it. So that does go a long way. To me, I think it does. And that helps make the buying experience even more special. So you all, this is it. This is my new color block Coach Rowan. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day.